I'm just getting these for the YouTube video.
All right, guys, I just sat down. I got the box popped open. I love how the guy wrote fragile all over it. I know it's carbon fiber, but I mean, hey, a little bit of care goes a long way. So we're gonna get these popped open right now. I'll catch up with you guys in 1 second. All right, so we got these unpacked and they look absolutely gorgeous. These are the Versus Engineering front canards for the Mark V Supra in the carbon fiber finish. Yes, I bought them used for a great price off Facebook. He did say there was some minor damage from him tracking the vehicle, so I think on one of the big ones, yes, right here, as you can tell, nothing crazy. Like, yeah, it does look kind of bad when you look at it that close, but obviously from afar, you really won't tell, especially when it's on the car. Yeah, I wanted to make my car look like a track oriented build, and that's exactly what I'm going for. I saw some people online that have a similar build to mine, just not in white, so I'm trying to get exactly what I want to replicate. But yeah, these look absolutely nice. These are made super well. I could already tell by the carbon fiber. These are not made to bend or break off, which is why he said after multiple track days that the damage that he incurred on these are the only damage that he's had after having them for quite some time. So I'm super excited to put these on. They look great. Yeah, I'm gonna clean these up, get them ready, and we're gonna go grab some 3M tape and put these bad boys on. I'll catch you guys in a sec. All right, everybody, we're back, and this has been a few days since the install. I love them. I think it definitely makes the car look way more aggressive. I'm going for that track-oriented build, so this is actually perfect. Thankfully, well, I guess not thankfully, but I did buy these used, so they do have a little bit of scuffs on them, but obviously if you buy them straight from Versus, they will look absolutely beautiful. I love how it looks from all angles of the car. The front looks absolutely mean, and it just gives off that track vibe. That's what you're going for. Yeah, so I've already hit some pretty decent speeds with it with the 3M tape, and absolutely zero problems. I was honestly shaking the car with how sturdy these are. It's already gonna pull off the fender, but yeah, it's like, as you can tell, the whole thing is moving, and it is absolutely, they're on there for good. I hit some pretty decent speed, and see, I could just shake the whole car. Yeah, so guys, definitely worth buying, definitely a cheap modification, but on their website it says it adds a little bit of downforce. I mean, whatever, it looks great. It definitely complements the car. I have so much stuff coming soon, guys. Going to Impact, we are going to all the shows. We're going to track it next weekend. I cannot wait to show you guys and give you guys this whole season's worth of content. We just hit 300. We're on the road to 500. I just want to thank everybody. Please like, subscribe. I read every single comment. I answer every single comment. Please follow the Instagram, NixWRX. I be posting a lot more active on there, guys. Once again, thank you, and I will catch you guys in the next video.